Hi guys, Andy here from Car Key Solutions. Today we're going to show you how to change a battery on a Saab 93 key. This particular model we found from 2002 up until 2011. It shares the same key. It's a dash key. So it's relatively simple. You have to press a button here on the back of the key, which will release your emergency blade. Take that one out, and then with a small screwdriver you open the case. You have to just put it on the corner, on the top corner, and it opens like that. Okay, again, be very careful with the motherboard and all the components inside, not to damage anything. And then you have the battery on the back. For the battery you will need a flat screwdriver and have a new battery ready. In our case it's a CR2032. Make sure you place the terminal, the positive terminal of the battery on the back of the key, like so. Back into place, align the case, make sure it clicks. Okay, looks good, and you can insert the key now back in the emergency blade, and your key is ready to go. So again, this video was to show a battery change on a Saab 93 key from 2002 up until 2011. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you do have any questions, please comment below. Have a good day.